I love making something out of nothing. I'm not trained, but I am brave and determined. Of course, I could hire a professional, but DIY first. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 11. I think this is episode 11. I'm pretty sure it's 11. Anyway, we are headed to family brunch. We're having a holiday. Ooh, let me just start over.
Yeah.
Take two. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlog. Gee whiz. Phone, everything going off. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Vlogmas episode 11. Corey and I are getting ready to head out. We're going to a holiday brunch at my brother's house. And this Tracy's second time or third time hosting this, right?
Yeah.
Second or third time, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be some good food. We haven't eaten yet, but it's a lot going on today. And I am planning to finish my craft project that I started in the last video too. So that's on the agenda today. So it's a lot going on. So I will check back in with y'all in a minute when we get to the brunch. My sister-in-law said they got a Polar Express room up here for the kids. Let's see. That's cute.
That grandma's house.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah. Guys, it's crafting time. So what I started on the other day, if you couldn't tell, well, I'll just show you. So I have this container here. This was from Thanksgiving. This is actually trash from Thanksgiving. Someone brought a pecan pie and it was in this container from the store. So I thought, I kind of liked the shape of this. So I thought when I saw this, I was like, I could turn that into something. So it doesn't necessarily have to go into the trash. So you know how I talked about wanting like a Christmas village type situation, but I don't have one. So I thought I'll kind of sort of make one, and I can make it in this tray here as the container to hold everything. So the other day I went out to the garage and I cut some wood pieces into kind of like these little shapes here, and I stained them. I just had some different kinds of stains out in the garage, slightly different colors. I stained them, and so I thought I could somehow kind of stand them up in this tray and make like a little village type scene here. I also have these like fake Christmas trees. I have a few more of these left that I can use, and I got some cotton balls for my quote-unquote snow. So let's see if we can put something together. I also kept these little cut-off pieces for something. I said, well, maybe this will be kind of like shrubs or something. I don't know. But I can kind of use these as braces behind these pieces to kind of give them some more stability, you know, while they're standing up. So anyway, I'm going to throw something together and we'll just see what we come up with. use hot glue, but then I was like, what if I need to take them off? Because they are battery powered. They're gonna die. So this is the thing. Like, I don't know if it's like,
They gonna die.
can you replace it?
That ain't got nothing to do with that part.
Is it replaceable? I don't even know if you can replace the batteries. Oh,
Sure you can. Oh. Yeah, those are the
like watch
Here it
that. Okay. Well, let's see. Maybe I'll hot glue it. How is this going? Oh, okay. Continue.